What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I safely remove my crochet passion twist. The first thing I did is I cut all the passion twists at the base, right? I did it as close as possible, but not too close to the point where I could risk cutting my own hair, but close enough. None of my hair is there anyways, but you still double check because you just never know. So I cut all of it off. And after I cut it off, it becomes very easy to pull apart. Some of them were kind of tangled, but for the most part, all of them were pretty easy to just come off. So as you can see right here, I'm just taking them off. Real easy. Some of them a little tangled. Some of them I had to end up cutting them some more carefully because you don't want to cut your own hair. And yeah, that's it. All done. Now I'm about to style my hair. See you guys in that next video. Bye. So I'm going to be putting this in my hair. I don't know how this is going to look. I might have to end up brushing it out if it looks too straight-ish. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair in one.